So, as you already are into SAP login screen or easy access screen, let's see how you can write your ABAP programs. Okay, before that you have to understand what is this screen and what are the different areas of this screen. Okay, so like any other language, SAP also provides an integrated development environment IDE called ABAP Workbench and a collection of tools to develop, test, run ABAP programs. Okay, after release of SAP NetWeaver 7.31, actually time to time there are different releases has been given with added functionalities for any seamless development of ABAP programs. Okay, so at certain so after release of a certain version, we call it as SAP ABAP 7. SAP NetWeaver 7.3. Eclipse also can be used to develop an ABAP programs. Okay, but if you are new to ABAP or if you want to be a hardcore SAP developer, then you must familiarize yourself with the classic development environment of SAP. Okay, so we call this as SAP GUI. Okay, see SAP Logon 64. So this is the SAP GUI application which is used to develop, test any developments inside SAP. Okay, now coming to the easy access screen or home screen of SAP. So this is your home screen of SAP. Now if you see this menu, read, favorites, extras, system, help, this area is called as menu bar. Okay, and these particular options, the favorites, extras, system, help, these options are called as menu options or menu buttons. Okay, now coming to the second area, this, okay, where you can type a limited set of characters. We call it as transaction codes. Okay, so you can type those transaction codes here. So this part is called as command field. Okay, and there is a button, you can see, right? There are different buttons. So this area where you can see the buttons, right? Print button, find button, first page, previous page, next page, last page, new session, generate shortcut, this customized local layout. So this area is called as standard toolbar. Okay, and this area where you see SAP Easy Access user menu for BC NetTrain 02, this description is there, right? That you can call it, that is known as title bar. Okay, so whenever you run any program in SAP, the output will be displayed in this area. Okay, and the title of this program is getting displayed over this area. So that is the reason we call it as title bar. And as I already told you, this is the area where your program output would be displayed, right? So all these buttons are part of the program. Okay, the particular application, these are, so in SAP each separate program is being called as application. Okay, and these buttons here you see belongs to the application. Okay, so that is why this area is being called as application toolbar. Okay, now coming to this area, you can see, right, you can resize these areas, right? So this area under the favorites is called as T structure. Okay, and here if you see this area where these informations are there, yeah, I need to hide those informations, but okay. So this SAP is written over here, and this area, complete area, is called as status bar. Okay, this status bar can be used to display any messages from the application or transaction code, or any error messages also can be displayed here. So that is why we call it as application toolbar.